If a person for whatever reason can't afford private representation, it troubles me as a member of the community that they might get a different outcome to somebody who can perhaps pay for an advocate or a lawyer to appear on their behalf.
Hello, my name is Teoh. I'm one of the lawyers at Marrickville Legal Centre. I work with the duty lawyers and we attend Burwood Court on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We also go out to Sutherland Court on Wednesdays, where we assist people with things like traffic matters and domestic violence matters.
We offer free legal information and advice to people who find themselves before the court and haven't had the opportunity to get private or any legal advice.
Today in court, we've assisted people with a bunch of different traffic matters, such as very simple ones, failing to stop at a red light, all the way to drive or disqualified. In fact, with the drive or disqualified matter, we're assisting the person in court, and I'll be going in court to represent him after lunch. English is not his first language. He's from Tonga, been in Australia for less than a year. Having a lawyer there will allow him to explain his side of the story to the magistrate in order for him to get an appropriate outcome.
It's very rewarding to explain to people who may be subject to an apprehended violence order that if there is a breach of that order, it has very serious consequences, and hopefully that will mean that people will obey court orders and hopefully they get better outcomes for themselves and their relatives, partners, or the other person in the matter.
A lot of people, when they first attend court, they just completely lost. They don't really know what's going on. And us being able to understand the process, giving them fact sheets, them understanding their options in court, and their reaction at the end of it when everything just clicks, that's amazing, it's incredible.
Such an amazing experience working with people that have mental health issues, that are experiencing the worst day of their lives, and to be there for them is incredible. It's been a privilege.
Many people have issues in their lives, and it's those issues that led to the alleged offending behaviour. So we just try and offer some assurance and just say, okay, well, you're not alone, we're here. We'll go very slowly, we'll work through it. If you haven't had an opportunity to read the papers, we can go and get them for you, and perhaps we'll read them together so that we can both understand why we're here today.
A lot of the time you have really disadvantaged, vulnerable people walking in off the street, not knowing much about their matter or why they're in there. And within about 20 minutes of speaking to a solicitor, they're much more on top of things. I think they feel much more empowered, much more safe in the court system.
Without the duty lawyer service, matters get protracted, they give up along the way and they fail to attend court, making their legal problems grow. Having the duty lawyer service will enable us to deal with the problems straight away, and the matter gets resolved without further delay.
It is extremely rewarding in as much as the gratitude that I don't expect, but on occasion I receive from clients just by way of something, a thank you card or just a heartfelt thank you when they leave court. They don't expect anything. Many of them have never asked for anything in the past, and as a result they've been given nothing. So it is really just how those earnest, thanks, and it really does make a difference. So that's often enough, and it just makes you ready for the next time round.